Okay, this is a case where the patient had this denture delivered, but we have a problem with the seating of the denture. I was telling the doctor he was going with the overextensions, but before that I told him, please see the seating. We find that there is a pressure area here. The material that we have used is alginate, regular alginate. We mixed it in a thin mix. We made it like a wash impression, and it's closed mouth techniques. So the patient was closing totally. So we see that the denture is not adapted at all to the tissue. How do I know that? Because there's a lot of thickness of of alginate here. See how deep it is? It's around 2 to 3 millimeters deep. So this means this is not seated. What is preventing it from being seated? I'm looking at this side first, and I was telling you, please color these with a cobia pencil. Dry it first, color these with the cobia pencil, and then once you remove it, we're going to reduce these. So this surface and this, see this ridge area. Now this ridge area might have gone into a crack in the cast if there was a crack. Okay, what else are we going to remove? We're going to smoothen this. Do you see this sharp edge here? Lingually?
Yeah.
Okay. We also have an undercut engagement. Undercut engagements is good for us.
Yeah.
So how do we reduce it in a way that it doesn't interfere with the placement? We reduce the lower half, not the upper half. The upper half of the undercut, leave it. But like bevel the lower half till you reach the denture area, okay? So bevel it on itself. Now, we're going to, this is the lingual area, and this is the lingual pouch area. You can see the thickness of the alginate here, that this is not seated, okay? You see this alginate thickness. What is preventing it from being seated? I see the natural undercut that we have in the lingual pouch area, but also I could see the mesenteric plane also preventing the denture from seating. Now, this is a preferable area for all of my retention and all of my extensions on the bone because we have a small ridge here. So I don't want to lose this. I'm going to advise you to concentrate on the buccal. Keep working on the buccal until it's seated well buccally. So the mesenteric plane can interfere with the seating of the denture because if the masseter is active, it will not allow it to seat. On the other side, I don't have a problem, but I do have an extension beyond the retromolar pad area here. This angle here also could be interfering with the seating, so slightly reduce this angle. These are our adjustments for the first time, and we're going to come back with this case and see how better is the seating after we have done these adjustments. There are some overextensions here because you also did functional movements, huh?
Yeah.
This some overextension here on the border. I'm going to leave that overextension first. You can just, if it's sharp, just try to reduce it, the sharpness, but try not to lower the flange until we finish the seating issue. Okay. And then we will recheck the border extensions, and if it's overextended, we will reduce it.